Now, the stock market recently has been making historic dives and also making some good gains. Have we hit the bottom of the market yet? And is now the perfect time to invest? Let's dive into it. Hey, what's up guys? It's Kai here. Welcome to my channel where I talk about money, entrepreneurship, and finance. If these type of videos interest you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos. Today we're going to talk about the stock market crash. Has it hit the bottom yet? Is it going lower? And also my investment strategies during this time. Go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get started. Now the market has been very volatile lately. Last month we seen the Dow drop over 30%. And just last week, we seen it jump 20%. Has the market hit the bottom yet, or will it even go lower? Here's my thoughts on it. So if you take a look in the news recently, there's some good news coming out, such as a stimulus bill. Crude oil prices have been going up slowly, but there's also still a lot of bad news coming out. People are still under quarantine, extended to April 30th. Massive cities are shut down. Businesses are still closed down. Disneyland is still closed down. And I don't think the repercussions of shutting down all these businesses have completely rolled out yet. With all these businesses shut down, also their employees are not working. So it's like a trickle effect where the business not working, their employees are not working, they're staying home, they're not spending money. People are not going out to eat in restaurants, they're not going out to see movies or entertainment or Disneyland, not traveling. And all of that, I believe that the ripple effect has not come out yet to reflect totally in the stocks in the stock market. So even the stats show unemployment rates are at record highs right now, and they're only projected to increase more. In today's news, 6.6 million people are projected to file for unemployment, while just a few days ago it was 3.2 million people. Yet the stock market still shot up after this bad news. What is going on right now? So that doesn't make sense to me. If unemployment rates is going up and the stock market will go back up, I don't think the stock market will start going back up till some good news starts coming out. And I only expect worse news to be coming out in the near future. Currently, they're extending the quarantine date to the end of April 30th. With all those companies not starting up, I don't see money flowing back into it. They're saying New York still hasn't reached its apex yet. Death numbers keep on increasing in New York daily. And who knows if those exponential numbers won't spread elsewhere in the country. So last week's bounce in the market, I believe, is a temporary bounce. And the market will continue to go lower until this quarantine is lifted and people begin traveling again. Sports will fire back up. People can start going out and enjoying their food and entertainment. And of course, start riding cruise ships again. So how low is this market gonna go? The truth is, nobody can tell you when the bottom of the market is. But here's some indicators that I'm looking at. If death numbers start taking a decline or we start to flatten the curve, as they say, when businesses start firing back up and the quarantines are lifted, I'm thinking that a lot of this negativity is already priced into the market, pushing it down low. I would say that the market will start taking off just before things start getting better. And here's how I plan to invest in this volatile market. Now, there's a well-known quote by Warren Buffett, one of the most famous stock investors, that says, "Be fearful when people are greedy, but be greedy when people are fearful." Take a look around. People are definitely fearful right now. So personally, I've been buying stocks. So you look around, a lot of stocks are on sale right now. You know, if people have seen these prices from a few months ago, they would be begging to have these prices that they're available at right now. So this whole time that the market has been going down, I've been buying stocks. I look at it as investing long term. So if the business was solid before the crash, and I see them being solid after the crash, I see the drop as just being the panic. And after we clear this thing, the businesses should come back up to where they were or continue running their solid business model, gradually start returning to making money. So I'll look at stuff like, was the business profitable prior? Do they have a lot of cash on hand? Were they trending up prior to this drop? How this situation has affected them as a company during this time. The travel industry has been hit the worst with the cruise ships and the airlines all being down. Are they gonna pop back? I think airlines is essential. So people are not flying now, but people are not gonna not fly forever. So once all of these quarantines are lifted, travel bans are lifted, people are going to fly again. And the airline business model hasn't changed. Now, it's not exactly the same for cruise ships because I don't think cruise ships are essential, but I don't think they're going anywhere either. Personally, I've been investing in CCL Carnival Cruises. In my other video, I'll link it here. I go over how I believe that you could double or even triple your investment with some of these companies that have dropped so low. But recently, Carnival has been taking some massive cracks, and yet I continue to expand my position in their stocks. Now, don't go out and just buy these stocks because I'm buying these stocks. Now, everybody needs to do their own research. But I'm going to use this example of Carnival Cruise Line, CCL, on how I'm personally investing. I use a strategy called dollar cost averaging. In this example, let's say I got $10,000 to invest. See the market crash. I seen Carnival Cruise Line go to $18. I'll buy 100 shares when it's $18. If it drops some more, $16, I'll buy some more. If it drops to $12, I'll buy some more. Drop $8, you get it. And even if it goes up, I can buy some more, as long as I see it as a deal. I mean, this is called dollar cost averaging. And this is exactly what I did with Carnival Cruises. I started buying when it was $18, and I still bought even today. I believe trading closed at under $9. So currently my dollar cost average for my Carnival Cruise stocks is $14.10. But this dollar cost averaging also helps me out mentally. When I seen it trading at $18, I bought some. I didn't blow my whole load on that, like, oh, it's cheap. And when it dropped some more, mentally, I didn't take it as, oh, I lost money. I'd seen it as, oh, wow, I got a better deal. So I still had some funds to buy some more. And as it drops, I would buy more. And even if it increased, mentally, it'd be like, hey, I made gains. So mentally, it would help me out, whether it's going up or down, just knowing the basis that I bought it at a deal. As an example is, say you're going to the car lot and you're going to buy a brand new car, $40,000 brand new car, Tesla. And then you go to the car lot and you see the car and they said, hey, you can take it out the door right now for $20,000. 50% off. Now that is a deal. I'm pretty sure if you're intending to go there, if you looked at the car, you did the research on the car, you see it, and it's a good car, that you want this car, and you go there and they give you 50% off, I think most people will hop on that deal. They wouldn't sit back and be like, I wonder if they'll give me 55% off tomorrow. They'll just snatch up that 50% off deal. So that's kind of where I'm at with stocks now. I see it at 50% off, which is a good deal. So I'll just buy them because I believe they're a good deal and they'll come back up. And if they continue to drop, I didn't blow my whole load, so I can continue to purchase when they drop. And I'll also continue to buy as they go up slowly. Now here's an interesting perspective on how someone could look at the stock market on seeing whether they think they should invest or not. So right now, this is like unprecedented times. Well, at least for my lifetime, where the whole nation is shut down under quarantine. We have a shortage of toilet paper, and nothing extremely terrible has really happened yet. We didn't shut down like this for 9/11 or other illnesses. So if you look at it, we came down to this level right here where everybody is quarantined, businesses are shut, everything. The stock market has dived, and the stock market just went to this level here. It just crashed. So we're here. There's only two directions that you can go from here. So if you're here and it just stays the same, where the businesses stayed closed, shortages of toilet paper, people are not making money. If it just stays here, it doesn't even have to start diving. If it just stays here for a long time, I'd expect there'd be rioting and looting. I think the system could possibly crash if it just stays here. And the other option is if it goes back to normal, if things start getting back to normal, there's two choices. If it's here, it could go this way or it could go this way. So if you believe it'll go this way, I think it's a no-brainer to invest. But if you think it's going to go this way, then I think it'd be better to invest your money in like doomsday prepping things, where you could buy things to protect your family, food, shelter, get your doomsday prepping ready. So I guess it depends on what way you'd see it. So I thought that was kind of an interesting take if I simplified it like that, on which way you think things are going to go. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you think things are going to get back to normal soon, or if you think we are headed towards Mad Max days. So in conclusion, yes, I believe the stock market is going to crash lower. I don't know when the bottom is, and truth is nobody knows where the bottom is. Yes, I do continue to invest. I'm maybe about 50% invested now. I still have some cash aside to continue to invest, as I believe it'll get lower. If you're interested to see some of the stocks I'm invested in, go check out my other video here to see some of those stocks. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.